AI is coming for software engineering jobs, and it's happening faster than most developers actually realize. In the last year, I've watched companies hire less, expect more, and quietly replace real engineering work with AI tools. After 7 years of working as a software engineer in London, I'm telling you, the shift is already here. And if you don't adapt now, you're going to feel it. Becoming a software engineer once felt like winning the ultimate career lottery. We were all told the same thing: learn to code and you're set for life. Recruiters were in my inbox every week, opportunities were everywhere. It felt like the safest career bet you could make. But today, the reality looks totally different. Quick background about myself: I've been working as a software engineer in London for 7 years. I've worked at fintech and trading firms. I've been on both sides of the hiring process as a candidate and as an interviewer. And over the last year, I've noticed a dramatic shift in the market. Friends with strong resumes are struggling to land interviews. Junior developers are competing with hundreds of applicants per role. Even experienced engineers are feeling uncertain. This video isn't meant to spread fear, it's about understanding the reality and figuring out how to adapt. So let's start with the obvious. The hiring frenzy of the past decade is over. For years, tech companies hired aggressively, especially during the COVID era. Cheap money, rapid growth, and investor optimism fueled massive expansion. But now, companies are prioritizing efficiency and profitability. That means fewer roles and higher expectations. So when a single job posting gets hundreds and sometimes thousands of applicants, companies can afford to be extremely selective. The technical bar is much higher and the margin for error is smaller. That doesn't mean the jobs have disappeared, but the era of easy tech hiring is over. To add to that, layoffs have added another layer of uncertainty. Even engineers at well-known companies have seen teams cut overnight. And when layoffs happen, experienced candidates flood the market. That increases competition for every open role. But the biggest impact is psychological. Many engineers who once felt secure are now questioning their stability. People are saving more aggressively, hesitating to switch jobs, and worried about long-term career security. The anxiety is real, and it's reshaping how people think about working in tech. Then there's the elephant in the room: AI. Tools that can generate code, debug issues, and automate tasks are improving rapidly. Some people believe AI will replace software engineers entirely. Others think it'll simply make us more productive. The truth is probably somewhere in between. AI is already changing what skills are valuable. Writing boilerplate code is becoming less important. Understanding systems, architecture, and problem solving and domain knowledge is becoming more important. Engineers who learn to use AI effectively may gain a huge advantage. Those who ignore it risk falling behind. So what does this mean for aspiring engineers? If you're trying to break into tech right now, the path is harder, but not impossible. The bar for entry is higher. Companies want proof of real skills, projects, internships, and demonstrable impact. Surface level knowledge isn't enough anymore. But strong engineers are still in demand. The difference is that standing out now requires more intentional effort. So what can you actually do? First of all, focus on the fundamentals. Deep understanding of computer science concepts, system design, and problem solving will outlast any tool. Second, embrace AI as a collaborator. Learn how to use it to accelerate your workflow instead of competing against it. Third, build visible proof of your skills. Open source contributions, real world projects, and a strong portfolio matter more than ever. Fourth, develop communication and business awareness. Engineers who understand product and impact are harder to replace. So, to conclude, I think the tech industry isn't dying, it's maturing. We're moving from a gold rush to a more competitive and disciplined market. The shift can feel uncomfortable, but it also creates opportunities for engineers who adapt. If you're in tech or trying to enter it, I'd love to hear your experience. Are you finding the job search harder? Do you think AI will replace engineers? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. I'll be sharing more honest conversations about building a career in software engineering in an uncertain world.